This is our home for the night. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now Hannah and I are at the back of Saguaro Lake. Tonight we're going to be doing some cold weather camping on the boat. I'm so stoked. But we just got here, just arrived, and the sun just now set. We're getting pretty hungry, so I think we're about to cook up some food.
A lot of you guys might not think that this is cold, but it's cold to us, and I'm really excited actually. This is going to be one of my favorites.
Yeah, it's going to be so nice because it's so quiet out here. There's not supposed to be that much of a moon, and it's just going to be a great time. The temperature tonight is supposed to get down to 36, so probably for most of you guys that's not too cold, but to us it is a little bit cold. It's not as cold as it was when we went to Flagstaff and did some sub-freezing camping, so if you haven't seen that, check that one out as well. Let's get into it.
Cooking my specialty, pasta.
Alright guys, we had some technical difficulties with the camera batteries not charging, but we got them fixed now, got them charged up. We continued cooking because it was getting dark, but this is our end product. Hannah, you want to tell them what it is?
It is a broccoli, cheddar, bacon macaroni.
Yeah, and we got this from a recipe, but we don't have service out here anymore, so we didn't know exactly, so we're going to see how it is. This looks so good, Hannah. Wait, did you bring silverware?
Don't worry. I got him.
It's so dark out here. There's no moon tonight, guys. and it's so dark. I'm going to show you guys some cool shots here in a bit of the stars. But for now, Hannah and I are going to go into our home for the night, and we're going to eat. All right, guys. Here's our dinner table. Our food. It's looking so good. First impression. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Not like the best meal we've ever made, but it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It did take like 2 hours to make it.
Because it was so cold out here and because our grill wouldn't shut. Alright guys, so this is our bed tonight. Super stoked on it because it's going to keep us super warm. This is a bedroll, and inside of the bedroll we have the sleeping bag. We use these, me and my dad used these when we'd go hunting, and it kept us super warm. You can see Finn under here already sleeping. He's not cold at all, not even shivering. And if you know Finn, he shivers easily, so that's good. But yeah, this is our area for the night. This is our home. Hannah, how do you feel about it?
Good. I'm really cold. You can kind of see me shivering.
Yeah, she's been shivering all night. Last night we were watching our movie and we started hearing these weird sounds, and we sat up and we saw a skunk eating our leftover food, literally 2 feet away from us. And Hannah started freaking out, telling me to get it to leave, but I had no idea how to get it to leave without getting sprayed. So we came up with the idea of just starting the boat, and then it took off running. But even after it left, Hannah was still afraid, and she wanted to cover the boat, so we slept with the cover on all night. Alright guys, we just finished up eating breakfast. It was super good. How did you like it, Hannah?
It was so good.
We want some coffee now, so we're headed back into town. It was a super fun night. Hannah's incident with the skunk was kind of funny, but
It was so scary.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.